traditional food do you enjoy the most during Hari Raya?
During Hari Raya, I especially like kuih or curry pop.
Yang saya paling suka semasa sambutan Hari Raya is lemang and rendang.
I would say ketupat because it has a savoury taste to it and it's really nice.
Makanan kegemaran tradisional saya semasa Hari Raya adalah ketupat.
My favourite traditional food is rendang and nasi pulut. It's so delicious that you can eat with just bare hands and very nice.
Rendang, ketupat, lemang. I like to enjoy cornflakes madu.
Makanan tradisi yang paling saya suka waktu Hari Raya tentulah lemang dan juga rendang. Lemang dan juga rendang.
Kuih and lemang ah. Kuih lemang.
Nasi lemak.
Okay, what is your most memorable Hari Raya experience?
My most memorable Hari Raya experience is that I get to spend it with my family and friends. At school, of our annual Hari Raya event celebration, I like the performances. They're unique and different, and I like the atmosphere of the festives.
Okay, kenangan manis cikgu. Masa cikgu kecil-kecil dululah, kenangan yang paling manis bila dapat duit raya. Itulah kenangan paling manis.
My most memorable experience during Hari Raya, I think, is the celebration that happened last year during Hari Raya at school. I think it was really memorable for me because it's really fun and I get to join the fashion show.
The most memorable experience I've experienced in Hari Raya was that I get to meet friends and relatives, join events and play activities. That's it.
What do you usually do during Hari Raya?
I usually go out with my friends to play badminton or go out with my family for dinner.
Okey, semasa raya, biasa pagi raya, cikgu akan sediakan macam makanan untuk ahli keluarga lah, macam nasi dagang, ketupat, nasi impit. Lepas tu kita ramai-ramai makan pagi, lepas tu pergi solat dan lepas tu kita akan ziarah rumah saudara mara lah. Biasa tetamu juga akan datang ke rumah cikgu. Itulah sampai satu hari.
Usually we would pray first lah. Lepas tu we makan all family all together.
I'm gonna go over to my Malay friend's place and we're gonna hang out for 3 days straight. I'm gonna stay over at his house, you know. I'm gonna have some fun, if you know what I mean.
Okay.
That's about all.
What about Hari Raya that makes you excited?
It's probably the school holidays, the duit raya and all the good food that my Malay friends give me.
Okay, so I get to celebrate Hari Raya along with my friends and family and also experience their cultures.
What about Hari Raya? I think the duit raya.
Definitely the money, yeah.
The holidays and the food. I really like the holidays, so I get to stay at home from all the work at school and I really get to taste the traditional food.
What Hari Raya makes me excited is communicate with families.
Saat kita berkumpul dengan family, balik kampung, makan sama-sama, main bunga api. So itulah yang membuatkan saya teruja bila sambut Hari Raya Aidilfitri.
To all Malaysian, saya ingin mengucapkan Selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir dan batin.
Selamat Hari Raya.
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 Kami ingin mengucapkan
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, maaf zahir dan batin.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Kami ucapkan Selamat Hari Raya